this plant, just like the prickly pear, I'll go with a pair of pliers and gently pop one of these guys off, as you can see right here. It's kind of got a fresh scar mark on it. All you gotta do is let them sit out for about a week, 2 weeks. Let them harden off or scab off. You can also use a root propagating hormone and plant them directly too, but this is how the old timers told me to do it. Scab it off and plant them. So here's just a quick video of propagating plants. Right here you can see I broke this off like 10 days ago. See, it's all scabbed over. It's no longer dry, wet. It's all dry. And some of these that they already broke off, when you grab them, they can already grow roots. This guy will be ready to grow. Here's a prickly pear. This guy's kind of hard to tear off. You can see where it's claw marks from the pliers. But all these brown hairs right here will ruin your day. It's stuck everywhere. You see, they're pretty prickly. So you're going to want to put them in dry. Let them sit for 2 weeks to a month. I'll put 2 of these in each. Hopefully one of them take. Only problem I've had is I've lost a couple during the winter because it's pretty dry here in the wintertime, as in like no rain, and they kind of start to wilt. Those 2 mother plants will wilt and look like they're almost ready to die, and as soon as it warms up a little bit, like above freezing, it'll kind of go back to normal. This soil does have some perlite in it. Alright, for this big guy, I'm going to bury about 2/3 in the ground. Sorry, 1/3 in the ground. a ton of these little guys. I'm gonna plant a bunch of them in here. Typically after these are established, I just cut the pot with a razor blade, split it, and then just drop it in a hole as best you can. Can't really place them too well. These are very prickly. Hopefully this one will just be a big old cluster of cactuses. So there you go, about 18 potted cactuses. Hopefully most of them make it. I'll be watering in about 2 weeks to a month. And should take off from there. 3 weeks after I transplanted them, they'll seem to be doing fine. This guy right here I picked up in Moab. See how he transplants. He should be able to winter, I think, if it lived in Moab. This one's ready to bloom. This is all new growth right here. So here's the cactuses in bloom. It's the 1st of June. There's a big old bumblebee in that one. These cactuses do bring wasps though. The wasp and the hornets love it, unfortunately. You can see all these are future buds. This thing will bud out in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. And each bud only lasts maybe 2 days. 7 or 8 years it expanded about this far. It doesn't get any direct watering, but from surrounding plants. There's that bumblebee.